Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome you again to our webinar today. The topic will be design an overmolded plastic part with mold filling analysis. And I'm Elvin Xu, account manager in Moldex 3D EMEA team. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the table of contents of today's webinar. So first of all, we'll start with a brief introduction about overmolding. And then in the second part, I'll be talking about Moldex 3D multi-component molding module, which covers the overmolding. And then I'll share with you a few successful cases from our customers. And finally, we'll come up with a conclusion to wrap up the day. Okay, so now let's swing straight to the introduction. So overmolding. In plastic injection, there are actually several nouns. Overmolding, insert molding, multi-shot sequential molding. So for overmolding, normally refers to plastic part that is injected to cover, or let's say on, another substrate, which is also plastic. And as for insert molding, normally it refers to a plastic part covering or encapsulate another metal insert. And multi-shot sequential molding is multiple injection that is done continuously to combine two or more components together inside the mold. So strictly speaking, these three are a little bit different. But actually, there's also another general standard saying that overmolding actually covers insert molding and multi-shot sequential molding. So for today, we'll be using a little bit more general standard. We'll focus on the plastic substrate and plastic injection. So plastic with plastic insert.